everybody, Thomas Vanderkint, Lenovo Global Account Manager here. Today we've got a couple options I want to talk to you about for some of our products. So this is our X1 Yoga. Not what I want to talk about today. If you haven't seen it, I have already done an unboxing video of this product. But what I am going to talk about is some of our privacy filters and some of our sleeves. So this is the Lenovo 3M privacy filter for some of our products. This one particularly is for the X1 Yoga. So I'm going to show you how this works. So let's go ahead and open this up. Packaging here. So here's the privacy filter, and here's the tabs to attach it. So basically what this is, if you've never used a privacy filter before, many of our executive types or anybody in a plane or even in an office environment, you may be working on some project that you don't want everybody around you seeing. I know that I fly quite frequently. It's almost impossible for me just because, the time on a plane is pretty limited space. If somebody opens up their laptop next to me, how are you not going to look at their laptop and see what they're working on? Well, the answer is we're here to help you out. So we've got a solution here where it turns the screen due to, I think, the polarization on these 3M filters completely black unless you're looking at it straight on. So I'm not sure how well this is going to translate on video. But if you look at it like this, obviously you look at the screen, you look at it sideways, it's always going to be visible. We kind of pride ourselves on that. So what we can do is we have...
Keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Sure, Cortana, thank you. What we have is these privacy filters. So you pop these on. Oh, actually it's got a cutout for the camera. It fits on like this. Now when you look at the screen straight on, you can see it. But from any angle, it immediately turns completely dark. So it's impossible to see it unless you're straight on. I don't know if that translates. Hopefully you can see it completely clear now. You do any angle at all, it's completely gone. So that's due to the polarization effect of the screen. It comes with some easy tabs, so you just use these tabs to attach them on the side. And from then on, you've got a great privacy filter. So the other thing I want to show you today, we've got obviously several of these privacy filters. This is for a 12-inch, 14-inch, 12-inch, different size filters for different size screens. But we've also got some different sleeves I want to show you. So the first one, this is a screen for a sleeve for a 14-inch laptop. Kind of a very neoprene type product. I don't know, I feel like if you're going to scuba, this would be a great solution. So you just very thin sleeve but protective. If you don't want a full size Targus case like we sell, you can just pop this in the sleeve. It's got a zipper pouch here, and you can use this as your travel sleeve. Other option we have for a sleeve, this is for a 12-inch laptop like the X280. The other option we have is a X1 Ultra sleeve. So this one's a little bit instead of kind of that neoprene feel, it's more of a leather type feel. So let's take a look at this one. Pop it open. Obviously beautiful, feels really good. It's got a spacer in here, some product marketing materials, and then I don't know if you can get the sense, but it's pretty stiff and rugged with a nice flap on it that has a magnetic catch. So then we can just pop our Yoga into here and carry it. It's more like a executive portfolio look rather than a neoprene sleeve look. Very nice. So that's all I want to cover today, just some of our options for the protection. So we've got obviously a Think shutter built in to turn your camera off. That's built into the machine. We've got the that was right here for those of you who didn't see that in a previous video. physical switch for the shutter. And then we covered the privacy filter from 3M that Lenovo can sell for all of our products. And then also some of the different sleeve options. So thanks y'all for joining today. Appreciate you spending the time, and we'll see you next time. Thanks everybody.